And of course, we've got a bit of a warming trend on the way. Here's Brooke Landau to explain.
We sure do. All right, we're going to see temperatures start to climb just a little bit each day as we get towards the middle of the week, and then we'll see them peak. We'll get to more of that in just a second. For today, we were spot on with the seasonal average, just as predicted. Yesterday, we were 2 degrees above. Those temperatures came down a little bit as we were expecting. We hit that seasonal average, and now we're going to start to see temperatures coming up 2 to 3 degrees tomorrow, another couple of degrees on Tuesday, and even more so for Wednesday and Thursday. So we can see that here with the temperature forecast. We'll be in the 70s still at the coastline, in the lower 80s for tomorrow into the inland valley areas. But then we're going to see those temperatures climbing even higher over the next 24 to 48 hours, and we'll see temperatures up about 5 to 6 degrees in some areas. We've had a low pressure system that's been moving down the California coastline, but that's going to start to break apart that onshore flow, and instead what we're going to see is high pressure building. We can see that drier air mass to the north of us right now, and we're going to see that bringing us those warmer temperatures as high pressure starts to build into the middle of the week. With that, however, we could see some increased monsoonal moisture dragging up from the south and the east, which could produce some thunderstorm activity for us for Wednesday and Thursday, possibly even Friday, but I'm calling for a very, very slight chance of this, and if it happens, it would be isolated to our mountain and desert areas, so we will remain free and clear of any shower activity at the coast and inland areas. Not so for the eastern coast. We're looking at northern and central Florida getting pounded with heavy storms into Georgia and the Carolinas as well due to Tropical Storm Cristobal. Not looking like it's going to make landfall, but certainly packing a powerful punch in terms of bringing some very heavy storms and wet weather to the eastern seaboard. Back here at home on the west coast and in the eastern Pacific, we're taking a look at Hurricane Marie, also known as Mighty Marie, a very strong system, but continuing to move in a northwest direction, but packing also a powerful punch with 150 mile-an-hour maximum sustained winds. That bringing us some very high surf over the last couple of days, and also doing so for the coast of Mexico. So we're going to continue to see that over the next few days or so, with another beach hazard statement issued for Tuesday through Thursday. Here's a look at those temperatures climbing. Look at Wednesday and Thursday, up to 92 degrees in the inland valley areas, and even as those temperatures come down, we remain right around that 90-degree mark inland. In the mountains and deserts, we also see those temperatures climbing. Increased monsoonal moisture with some partly cloudy skies Wednesday and Thursday. And again, that slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. But if we do get that, it would only be here in the mountain and desert areas. Let's look at your forecast tonight, Derek.
All right, thank you, Brooke.